Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix gaming service install error 0x80073D26. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type REGIS register editor and as administrator. Wait for it, it's loading. Click run as administrator. Click yes, and here you need to go to local H key local machine. Click the arrow mark over here, go to system, click the arrow mark and go to current control set. Click the arrow mark and go to services and go to scroll down and click on it, and it's searching for gaming service and gaming service.net. If you having here gaming service and gaming service.net, right click on it and click delete and delete it. Gaming service and gaming service net, you need to delete both of that and go ahead and restart your PC guys. If you after restarting your PC, if this does not work, try next method guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Here you need to type WS RESET, press enter guys. WS RESET. That's it guys. I hope this video is easy to follow and helpful. Thank you guys for watching my video.